Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're back on the Civic here. We'll be here for a little while. But today I'm actually going to finish securing the fuel tank underneath the vehicle and also start to get the axles ready for install. So I have to be underneath, taking a few things off and getting up under there, and hopefully I can slide those in pretty easily. So let's hop under there, let's tighten up this fuel tank system, and then we should be able to hop on these axles. So let's get started, guys. Alright, so unfortunately I don't have my sockets. I used to have some whole sockets, and I used to have some long ones. I don't have those here with me. So I'm just going to use my wrench here, and hopefully I should be able to get it tight enough up there that we shouldn't have any problems. So let's keep going with that. Alright, so I was able to get everything tightened up. Everything's nice and secure. Got the new hardware on, new straps. I did have an issue with the hose here. I had to flip that, so I actually had to drop the gas tank again and flip that hose, which is kind of a pain in the butt. It was getting kind of bind up in here, so I made sure I had it the right way. Got everything secured. Got the filler neck attached. Went ahead and got new hardware, new bolts. So it should be in good shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these plastics on, and then we can move towards the axles. Alright, so I was able to get it off the bar joint. So we're going to this axle. There's a new axle that's specific for so long. Well, got the axle in there. That's kind of a pain in the butt, but I got it in there. I know it's a little rough looking. I'll probably end up swapping these out at some point. But for now, we're good. Go ahead and get this end in here. We should be in good shape. Alright, so axle's in, everything's reattached. The only thing I gotta do is tighten this bolt here. I gotta grab my socket and I'll go ahead and get that run in there. We should be good to go and we'll tackle the other side. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today. I went ahead and got the fuel tank all mounted. Everything's hooked up, even inside the car. I went ahead and got one axle done. That's looking fresh, but unfortunately with the plastics for the gas tank, I got the wrong size clip. So I'm gonna have to find some more clips, and then I'll go ahead and get this stuff in. And that'll probably be in the next video, as well as finishing the other axle. However, kind of hard to see. Everything is hooked up, ready to go. Just gotta put this cover on, then I'll be good to go. So that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. I'm glad you guys are following me along on this journey, getting this thing back together. Has been a pain in the butt. I've actually never installed axles before, so that was a little bit of a pain. So I'm glad I got one side in. And then we'll focus on the other side here in the next video, as well as getting the plastics on for the fuel tank, the plastic caps. So I got a couple caps here for molding plastic pieces I got to put on. So we'll get that done. Stay tuned for the next episode. And then hopefully soon we'll be getting this car fired up. We're very close, so stay tuned, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Support your boy over here on the car channel, and see you guys next time.